Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my EXO cream soda inspired design. For all of the nails except for the thumb, you'll want to start off with a base coat followed by one layer of a matte top coat. On the index nail, we'll be making the blue cream soda drink, so use a sheer white polish to make the outline of the glass. When you're happy with the shape, fill in the bottom 2/3 of the glass with a sheer blue polish. Fill the top of the glass in with white, and then use a light gray polish to darken the edges of the white section. You can use acetone to blend the white and the gray together. Next, use white again to make the whipped cream on top of the drink, and then use a light gray to add a couple shadows. Use a darker sheer blue to add some shading to the glass, and then use a neon blue to add a couple highlights. Add a white highlight to the neon blue sections, and then add a couple more highlights with orange and white. Finish off the design by applying a glossy top coat to the glass, leaving the rest of the nail matte. On the middle nail, we'll start with painting some vanilla ice cream, so make a white semicircle at the tip of your nail and fill it in. Next, use a sheer red polish to make a circle above the white section for the cherry. Use a dark red to make the stem, and then add some shading with black. Add some shading to the cherry using a darker sheer red, and then add some highlights with a sheer white and sheer yellow. Add some texture to the outline of the ice cream scoop with white, and then use gray to add a bit of shading. Finish it off by applying a glossy top coat to the cherry. Next up is the dripping heart lollipop. For this one, start off by making a teardrop shape with sheer orange, and then make a heart shape above it with sheer red. While you wait for the lollipop to dry, make a flame underneath it. Use your sheer orange to make a messy triangle at the tip of your nail, and then fill the middle in with white. Outline the white with a darker orange, and then use acetone to soften where the colors meet. Next, use a darker sheer red to add some shadows to the lollipop. When you're happy with that, use white to add the lollipop stick. Wait for it to dry, and then apply your lighter sheer red over the section of the stick that's inside the lollipop. Shade around the stick with your darker sheer red. Use sheer white, yellow, and orange to add some highlights. Finish it off by applying a glossy top coat to the lollipop. On the pinky, we have the white dripping foam, so for this one, use white to make some drips on the nail. You can also use a sheer white for some of the drips to make them look less solid. I didn't top coat this nail at all, but if you want to make it last longer, then you could seal in your design with a top coat. The last nail is the fireworks logo for Exist. For this one, start with a black base and then use neon pink to make the center EXO logo. Dot some white along the centers of the pink lines and then paint over the edges of the white again with the neon pink. This is going to make the pink look a lot brighter over the black base. Go over the center one more time with white. Use a mint green to make some thin lines coming off of the pink section, and then do the same thing again with a neon blue. Make some thicker orange lines, and then gently dab some white into the middle of each one. Thin out some neon pink polish with acetone and apply it around the edges of the pink lines to make them look glowy. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!